Hey guys! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am in a different setting. I am actually in my car and I'm at this place called SuperDawg. I believe it's only in Chicago. It's kind of a popular hot dog place and I've been wanting to do this drive-through or drive-in mukbang for a long time just because I see it and a lot of people do it and I thought it would be fun for me to do it here and there. Just good addition to my channel. I do a lot of stuff on my channel. You guys know that. I know some people hate it, but I need variety and yeah, I need variety. So anyways, I am about to order some stuff. I think I'm going to order Whoopski dog, SuperBurger, super fries, super veggie maybe, and I think I'll get a super shake.
Anything else?
That'll be all.
Okay, so it's gonna be one super cheesy, no mustard, a whiskey dog the way we serve it, an order of the veggies, a vanilla shake.
Yeah.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Will you be paying cash or credit?
Credit, please.
Alright, everything is made to order, so give it some time. Whenever it's ready, I'll bring it out.
Okay, great. Thank you. Oh, okay. So everything is made to order. So they said I had to wait a couple minutes. Yeah. That's one thing I've been wanting to kind of talk about. I know I do a lot of stuff. Like, I have a ASMR channel. I do vloggings. And I do mukbang. And I see comments here and there. Like, I don't understand why you have another channel. I don't understand I don't like how you do so many things. But I don't know. Like, I just feel like not just because I'm trying to cater to everyone. It's just me. I really need variety. I get sick of things really quickly, but I like doing them, but I just need other things to focus on too. So, I mean, that's kind of like a bad thing and also a good thing about me, I guess, that I just like to do a lot of different things. And if I can't cater to everyone, no matter how much I try, at least I could cater to myself, right? So, and that's what I really like doing. And this is something that is definitely not going to overtake my channel. I love cooking. Obviously, mukbang is my priority. That is one thing that I can lose focus on. And, you know, I know that. This is something that I told you, I've been wanting to do it here and there. Definitely, it might not even be a weekly thing, but I mean, like, McDonald's came up with something new. Burger King or Wendy's always come up with something new, so that's something that I would love to just kind of drive by, just a quick mukbang. I don't know, it's kind of feels like I'm going on a road trip with you guys in a way. It's not, definitely not, just because I'm not driving. I'm actually parked, which is safer. But I thought this would be another kind of fun environment or like atmosphere. Maybe, you know, it's like a different feel that I'm bringing in my mukbang instead of my bedroom and like the comfort. This is in a way comfort too. Like, car is one of the other places that I feel really comfortable in, especially during winter. I like it a little bit cold in my car because I like having blankets. So I can't wait till I do the winter drive-through mukbangs. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna have like all this blanket, my mittens, and I'm gonna get some hot cocoa. It's gonna be so much fun. So this is gonna be another fun series for me. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more creative with it, I guess. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my gosh, isn't that so cute? That's so clever. This is stuff that I like. I got some vanilla shake. That is the creamiest vanilla shake I had in a while. Oh my god, it comes with the ketchup and the napkins. And this is the veggie, super veggies. That is hot. Ooh, this is ooh, this is a SuperBurger. I don't know if you guys can see. So this one's a SuperBurger. This one's probably the super hot dog, SuperDawg, or the Whoopski dog. Ooh, oh my gosh. Doesn't that look good? Wow, that looks so amazing. Okay, and then it also comes with buttermilk ranch. Nice. So total came out to be around $24, which, I mean, I ordered a lot, and they do make it they are made to order. So in a way, I think it's pretty reasonable, right? No mushroom. I wish they kind of had was like, where am I supposed to pour my ketchup in, you know? This one is the burger. Oh, that is really hot. Okay, so the onions, I didn't ask them to, it's not sauteed, so it's raw onions, pickle radish, cheese, and just seems like just a regular patty. And it still comes with the peppers and pickles and all. So I'm just gonna take a big bite. Honestly, it's not the best burger I ever had. It's basically a cheeseburger with hot dog toppings. This is so good though. The fries are pretty good. They're super soft inside but super crunchy outside. This is really good. But you know, I really do like these super veggies. They're so crunchy. Super delicious. Once again, this is the whoopsie dog. I guess this is the signature thing here. Oh yeah, also barbecue. I guess they don't use ketchup here. I mean, they do bring on the side, but honestly, I really like the hot dog burger too, but if you come here, I will say you have to try the hot dog. This is pretty good. The sausage itself is really good. I really like the vegetables. I am actually going to ask for my check because I want to close the window and kind of talk to you guys like in my normal mukbangs. So, okay, this is one thing that I actually want to talk about in my next mukbang. But since I decided to do this today, I recently heard this story, so I just wanted to hear your opinion. I heard that this kid, I don't know how old, but it's a kid, was biking, and he ran into Bentley, you know, the car, Bentley. He ran into, I think it was Bentley, yeah. He ran into the car and he broke the side mirror. So the side mirror right here, he ran into it or biked into it and broke it off. And I guess the owner was in the car or he was around to witness it. So he caught the kid and said, hey, give me your dad's phone number, your parents' phone number. So he could ask them to pay for his mirror. Because it was that was completely his fault. I guess car was parked at the right place. And the guy drove a Bentley, but the kid's dad apparently doesn't make a lot of money. He's not homeless or he's like poor, but he's making enough. That's what I heard. He's just not making enough. I don't know if he has other siblings, or I don't know if he has a wife, or I don't know that much in detail. But as far as I know, and I heard that because the guy who drove Bentley called the dad and asked for them to pay for the broken mirror, people went crazy. Like, oh, you're like rich, like can't you like at least let them go? They don't have that much money. It's the kid's mistake. The kid made a mistake. It's not like he did it on accident or on purpose. It's not like he did it on purpose. It was an accident. Like why are you charging them? That's what people are mad about. Like, you're rich, let it go, kind of thing. I'm like, and I heard it costed about $4,000 to fix the side mirror, one side mirror, $4,000. I want to hear your opinion. Do you think it's fair that people are gonna kind of like getting mad about it? That because personally, I don't want to share too much about my thought, but personally, I don't think he did the wrong thing. I mean, like, his car broke. Like, part of his car broke due to someone else's mistake or accident, and that happens to be a kid, and they happen to be not as wealthy or well off as the guy who drove Bentley. I honestly see both of their situation, just because, like, if I was a kid and the parent, I'll be like, you know what, you have enough money to afford a Bentley. I'm pretty sure you can afford $4,000. Like, a kid made a mistake. It's not like he did it on purpose. Like, can you let it go? I see their perspective. But the other side of but if I drove Bentley, I'd be like, dude, I was having a completely fine day. I worked my ass off to afford this car, and I'm asking the right thing to do. Like, like maybe I could consider, kind of like letting it go, but I don't understand why I need to because like people are hating on him. They're trying to find this guy to like kind of like give him for asking the kid to give him his dad's phone number. Like, if you were that person, if let's say it doesn't even have to be Bentley, you're driving a car and this kid knocks off your mirror, like side mirror, and do you really think that you're gonna be like, hey, like, oh, it's okay, don't worry about it? Do you really think you're gonna be like that? Or is the situation a lot bigger just because he has a Bentley? What if it was like a Kia or like a Honda, like mine, but just like a very average car? Like, would it be as big of a deal? Like, I don't know. Like, do you guys think it's fair? And do you guys think it was wrong for that guy to ask the kid's dad's phone number? Now, what do you guys think? Honestly, I do see both of the sides. Like, you really have to be in their shoes to understand it. Like, I get it. I've never been in their situation. But, what do you guys think? Because if I was a kid's dad, and if I barely make a living, and if I owe this guy $4,000 because my kid ran into his car, I'll be very upset. Like $4,000, you don't make it in a day. Like, you don't, $4,000? Like, I could only wish that guy would be nice enough to kind of let it go because a kid did it. But if you think about it, for that car owner, it's that $4,000 that he probably didn't even need to use. Like, like, I get it, accidents happen, especially a kid. But just because you're rich, like, how do you, like, is it fair that you need to, like, let go of it all the time because someone not as wealthy as you, like, broke their car, like, broke part of your car? I guess you really wouldn't know what's fair unless you were actually in the situation. Because what if, like, I don't know. I honestly don't know, guys. I just want to hear your opinion. And honestly, I can't really say which one was right or wrong because, again, like, I don't know, like, you weren't just there. If you weren't there, and depending on how that guy approached it, I think it really, like, changes the whole game. If the Bentley guy a huge, like, jerk about it, then I'll be like, dude, a kid did it, like, calm down, you know? But if it was, like, if he did it in, like, a calm manner, and it's like, hey, like, it's okay, but let me get your dad's phone number. Don't worry about it. I'll talk to your dad. Doesn't that seem like more, like, kind of reasonable? I don't know. I think I should drive home. But, guys, if you guys are ever in Chicago, I would recommend stopping by here, trying out more than the SuperBurger, I really recommend the Whoopsie Dog, with the way they serve it with barbecue sauce and onions and pickled radish. And definitely, I don't know how the chocolate tastes because I never tried it before, but the vanilla one is pretty good. So I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little addition to my weekly mukbang. I definitely had fun doing it. So if there are new places I want to try out, like, or new menus out in Wendy's or McDonald's, I'm gonna, like, do it here and there. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I hope you guys like the topics I talk about. I'm gonna try to talk a lot about my life and other personal stuff too as I get more into it. So I hope you guys enjoyed everything. I'll see you guys in my next mukbang, my Mayo series. I might film it on Monday just because I have to go see my aunt from Korea tomorrow and celebrate birthdays and blah blah blah. I can't wait till this birthday thing is over. Summer is almost here. It was 80 degrees in Chicago today. So I hope you guys are prepared. Wherever you guys are, prepare for summer. Keep hydrated, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.